Union Home Minister Amit Saha swings into action to tackle the Manipur turmoil upon landing, holds closed-door meetings and announces 10 lakh rupees compensation to deceased and one job each for affected families. Union Home Minister Amit Saha meets with women's organization, intellectuals and civil society organization in Imphal, assured them Manipur's territorial integrity will not be affected. After meeting with leaders of the Meitei community in Imphal, Union Home Minister Amit Saha meets with legislatures and civil society organizations of Kuki community in Churachandpur district, urged them to maintain peace. UADCOC Manipur member says Amit Saha's decision to pay compensation and jobs to surviving family members of those who died in recent communal violence will turn out to be adding fuel on fire. Fresh violence reported at Leitan Pokpi village in Kundrakwam constituency this morning, even as Amit Saha reviews Manipur situation. One man sustained critical injury after heavily armed suspected Kuki militants opened fire. Chief of Defence Staff CDS General Anil Chauhan says current turmoil in Manipur was primarily an ethnic clash and had nothing to do with insurgency. As Manipur continued to reel under tense situation, star sportspersons including international and national award winners warned of surrendering their awards if justice was not delivered right. And Director of Education as Manipur extends summer vacation of all schools in Manipur till June 15 in view of prevailing law and order situation.